So if you're selling your resale home, not only are you competing with those other resale homes on the market, but also new construction. And new construction, of course, brings all the bells and whistles and all the brand new things. Hi, I'm Tanya Kerr.
And I'm Russ Phillips.
As a resale property, you need to make sure that your make ready is completed well. Things like making sure your upgrades are nice. If you need to do any remodeling or repairs, that is done correctly.
Do you have hand smudges all over your light switches? Are there scratches in the wall? You obviously need paint, right? Remember, you're competing with new construction. What I have seen buyers do for years and years is they'll walk through and it's almost like a strike three, you're out. Oh, I see a little work this house needs here. Oh, I need that needs to fix. Here's some deferred maintenance, right? Remember, they're looking at new construction as another option besides you. And so it's easy to lose the buyer with some easily fixed stuff that won't break your bank.
At the bare minimum, painting a home and freshening up the paint and also the mulch outside, those will go a long way and they're cost effective.
The National Association of Realtors does an annual study on home buyers and home sellers. Typically, they say the money that is best spent is in the kitchen and the master bathroom.
The goal for a resale home is to make your home look as much like a model home as possible. So you need to make sure that your home is properly prepped for the market. And that includes things like accessory staging, full staging, professional photography. There's a menu of services out there to make sure that you look great when you enter the market.
So in a competitive market for sellers where buyers are reluctant to make a decision and they're comparing you to new construction, let's be honest, sometimes listings don't sell. If that's happening, it's important to us to look at you with integrity and remove any doubt that the reason your property isn't selling is because the realtor didn't do something or did things poorly or just didn't think it through.